Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Ankush, and I have completed my master's in the field of mathematics. I have total 3 years of experience in online teaching. I am a part of Anksh faculty. Now, Anksh is a Mumbai-based online teaching platform founded by the Lazarus family. So let's talk about the today's session. In today's session, we will be talking about briefly about the introduction to functions. So let's start the session then. So as I have told you that in today's session, we will be talking about an introduction to functions. So basically what we will be discussing in today's session, we will be having a brief look on the definition of function. So let's start the session then. Now, first of all, as we have seen that in today's agenda, we will be, first of all, we need to understand the term functions. So basically, a function f is a relation from a non-empty set, say A, to another non-empty set, say B, such that all the elements of the set A has a unique image in set B. Now, let's take an example to understand the definition of functions. For example, we have considered a relation f from set A which has elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to another set B which has elements 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, such that this is how my relation f looks like. Now f contains element 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 5 comma 6. So this is my relation f. Now we need to verify whether this particular relation f is a function or not. So basically, in order to verify whether this particular relation f is a function or not, let's have a look at the definition. Before that, here is my set A as it is given to you. What are the elements that are present in set A? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are the elements which are present in your set A. Give me yeah. These are the elements which are present in set A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is my set B. And the what are the elements that are present in set B? The elements are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now, according to the my relation f, as you can look, 1, your first element in this relation f is 1 comma 2, which means that element 1 is of set A is linked to element 2 of your set B. Similarly, the next element is 2 comma 3. So obviously 2 is linked to 3. Similarly, your next element is 3 comma 4. So 3 is linked to 4. Similarly, your next element is 4 comma 5. So obviously 4 is linked to 5. And your last element of the relation f is 5 comma 6. So which means that 5 is linked to 6. Now, in order to say that whether this relation f is a function or not, we need to look at the definition. Now, according to the definition of a function, uh, a function f is a relation from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B such that all the elements of the set A, which means that all the elements of set A has a unique image in set B. So as we can see that first thing we need to look at whether all the elements of set A are linked to some elements of set B or not. So as we can see, yes, 1 is also linked, 2 is also linked, 3 is also linked to some element, 4 is also linked, and 5 is also linked. So first thing we need to check is all elements of set A are linked, or you can say are linked to some elements in set B or not. Okay, some elements in B, in set B. This is your first thing. Now, once you have made sure that all the elements of set A has an image in set B, or you can say are linked, all the elements of set A are linked to some elements of set B. That is your first condition. Once you have checked that, second thing you need to make sure that all the elements of set A should have a unique image, should have a unique image in set B. Okay, now as we can see, what is the image of 1 in set B? It is 2. It is unique. Similarly, image of 2 in set B is 3. It is unique. Similarly, image of 3 in set A is 4 in set B. Again, it is unique. So we can see that all the elements of set A has a unique image in set B. So that is why we can say that yes, this relation F, this relation F is a function. So that is how we can say whether a particular relation is a function or not by using the definition of a function. Let's take one more example. This is the next example in front of you. Again, we are considering a relation F, and we need to see that where your this relation F is from set A, which contains 1, 2, and 3, to another set B, which contains 1, 2, and 4. Now we need to say which of the following relation F, which are shown over here in the options. As you can see, there are four options. Which of the following relation F is a function from A, set A to set B? Now again, first thing is, this is my set A. It contains elements like 1, 2, and 3. This is my set B. It contains element 1, 2, and 4. Now, first of all, let's start with the first option. Now, according to your first option, if you look at your first option, now you're over here, your F is 1 comma 1. So obviously 1 is linked to 1. Second option is, sorry, second element of set F is 1 comma 2. So which again we can see 1 is also linked to 2. And what is the last element of the first option? It is 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1. Now we need to see that whether this particular relation F is a function or not. We are talking about the first option. So first thing we can see that in order to say any relation F is a function from non-empty set A to a non-empty set B, we need to check all the elements of set A should have a unique image in set B. So over here we can see that we are having element 3 in set A, which does not has an image in set B. So that is why my first option cannot be a function. Now let's look at the second option. Let's look at the second option. Now according to the second option, we can see your first element is 1 comma 2. So your 1 is linked to 2. Similarly, the next option is next element of F is 2 comma 2. So which means that 2 is linked to 2. And you can see your last element of second option is 3 comma 4. Now again, let's check whether this particular option, this particular second option is a function or not. So first thing, we can see that all the elements of set A has a image. Now we need to just make sure that all the elements of set A has a unique image. So what is the image of 1? It is only 2. We can see as 1 is only linked to 2. So 1 has a unique image in set B. What about 2? 2 is also linked to 2. Now again, 2 is also having a unique image in set B. Similarly, we can see that 3 is also having a unique image in set B. So we can say that as we can see that all the elements of set A are uniquely linked to elements of set B, or you can say that all the elements of set A has a unique image in set B. then we can clearly say that according to the second option, this is the but this particular relation f is a function. So this is a function. Now let's check the option number 3 and 4. Now as we can see that according to your option 3, 2 is linked to 4 as your first element is 2 comma 4. What is your second element? 3 comma 2. Now again we can see that what the element 1 of set A does not has a image in set B, because in order to say that this particular relation f is a function, all the elements of set A should have a unique image in your set B, but your element 1 of set A does not has a image in set B. So that is why your the relation represented by the third option f is not a function. Now, at last not the least, let's move on to the fourth option. Now, according to the fourth option, if you see what is the first element of the fourth option, the first element is 1 comma 1, so which means 1 is linked to 1. What is the second element? 1 comma 2, so which means that 1 is also linked to 2. What is the third element? 2 comma 2, 2 comma 2, and the last element is 3 comma 4. Now let's check whether the relation f represented by your fourth option is a function or not. So now in order to say that this particular relation f is a function or not, first we need to check that all the elements of set A should has a unique image in set B. So as we can see that all the elements of set A has a image in set B. Now we just need to make sure that all the images that the images of all the elements of your set A are unique in set B. So as we can see over here, what are the images of 1 in set B? The images are 1 and 2. So now as we can see that there are two images of 1 in your set B, and which is not unique. So that is why we can say that this particular relation f represented by the fourth option is not a function. So hence the correct answer to this particular question is your second option. I hope you guys have understood the definition of function. So that's it for the today's session. Thank you everyone and have a nice day.